Para account settings. First, you'll want to make sure you tap on the Account tab at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. This is your account page. At the top, you'll see your profile photo and name. At the top right-hand side, you'll tap Edit. On this screen, you can tap here to change your photo, update your name, add a bio, add a zip code, and your location will be updated automatically by your zip code. Then save changes. Tap here to see a history of our announcements. Tap here to see terms of service, privacy policy, and PairWorks contractor agreement. Tap here to see a history of your flagged offers. Tap here to go to the help section. On the help section, you can search for something, or if you can't find it, you could always tap here to contact us. Tap here to update your Pair account phone number, email address, and password. And if you would like to log out of the Pair app, tap here to do so. Thank you for watching. Consider checking out our other tutorial videos.